Good morning. Today we're going to be making some mushroom soup. We're going to make some mushroom soup for canning, so there won't be any dairy in it. If you want to add dairy to it, you have to do that after you open it. Okay, also, the pot, it's clean. It's stained. It's clean. Now, in here we've got 10 packets of sliced cremini mushrooms that I have cleaned, washed. They're all good to go. Now, yesterday I did a whole bunch of canning, and 2 jars of my mushrooms didn't seal. So we're just going to put them in here as well, just to get them used. These ones are just button mushrooms. And I have 1 jar of stock that didn't seal. Oh, now it's pretending to seal. There we go. That didn't seal, so we're going to put that in there as well. We're going to set that stuff to the side so I can toss it in recycling. I also have, this is 4 cups of broth that was left over from canning. Okay. So now I have all that in there. We are going to add, now this isn't an approved recipe, this is just something that I kind of throw together. I wish I had more beef stock, but I don't. I normally like to add a very large amount of beef stock to this because I like the way it tastes in there. But sadly, I haven't been able to find beef bones. So I have the equivalent of a quart or a liter of beef stock with a little bit of fat, so we got some flavor going on there. Now what I want to do is add water to cover these, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just added the equivalent of 4 liters of water to this, and I've lost where I put it. Okay, be right back. Okay, I had this stuff pulled out and I put it away. Why, I don't know. So to this, and I'm just going to turn the burner on medium high. I'm going to add, you can add onions to this if you wish. I'm adding chives. I'm just going to add the rest. And if you haven't learned, I'm just eyeballing everything. I'm going to add the equivalent of a tablespoon of salt. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable soup base. Oh, sorry. It's just a Foddy Foods. No onion, no garlic. Now I have found thyme, about half a tablespoon, and rosemary goes so good in this. Again, about half a tablespoon. I'm going to add black pepper, but I'm going to do that off camera because no one wants to hear that pepper grinder going. Okay. That's all I'm going to add to this right now. We'll be back in about half an hour-ish when this is almost done cooking, but it won't be close because it's going to take a bit. But back in about half an hour. So it's been cooking for about 45 minutes, an hour, something like that. All the mushrooms are nicely cooked down. They've given their own juices off. I did add another, oh, you're all steamed up. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Let me deal with that. Okay, there we go. All right, so it's been cooking for about 45 minutes, an hour. I'm hoping you don't get steamed up over there. It smells amazing. Now what we're going to do is, really, you're going to steam, oh no, you're not steaming up, but you're just steaming, okay. We're going to give this a taste. I think it's going to be just spot on because the way it smells, oh, it smells spot on. You know what I mean? You just smell something, you're like, yes, that's perfect. Oh, and I wasn't wrong. The salt's nice. Pepper's good. The thyme, the rosemary, the chives, the comini mushrooms. The comini mushrooms are what's really doing it, because they have that nice nutty, bold flavor. Yes. All right, we're gonna be back in a few minutes to can this up. Okay, now we're gonna start canning this up. I'm just gonna do 1 or 2 jars with you guys. I think just 1, maybe 2. You want to fill it up, give it 1 inch headspace. And I always make sure to scoop down to the bottom so that way I'm getting mushrooms too. Oh, that is such a better angle. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think that's a good angle. It's a little bit more. And we're going to can this for 45 minutes because there's mushrooms in this, so we're going to can it for that time. I'm going to wipe the rim. I'm not going to worry about debubbling it because it is it's such a thin broth. If you want to debubble it, debubble it. So we're going to put the ring on it. Even just that short time, it makes it really hot. This ring just doesn't want to, yeah, we're just going to dispose of that ring because it doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, there we go. So these are going to go into the canner for 45 minutes. And there we go. All the mushroom soup is done, and we're going to let it cool, and I'll clean the jars tomorrow. But it looks like they're all going to seal. They were singing their little, the canning song, I guess. I don't know what you call it. They're popping away. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, there was another one. Oh. Nope. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll be talking again very soon. Bye.